Hello, hi, I'm Crow and welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums. I'm making a little video today to accompany the Etsy listing that we have for this beautiful buffalo drum. There'll be a link for the listing below the video. You can pop along and have a little look at the photographs and the full description. But the purposes of today's video is to have a listen to the sound. So I'm going to be using a firm beater and a soft beater because they both give pretty distinctive sounds. So here we go. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Sorry, I think we might have had a little rattle on the window ledge behind us. It's a very deep, powerful drum, and yeah, I hope it helps you to make an informed decision when choosing your drum online, which is always very difficult. So yeah, I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.